Yeah, hi, I'm Hari Priyanka. I'm representing HESA. We are part of TIE 50. HESA has won the part of TIE 50. So last year we were part of TIE 100, and this year I think they have announced a TIE 50. So TIE is like a wonderful event where you have access to everything, like the mentorship. There are incubator programs. There are different policy documentations. Where a startup feel like uh, it's more like an advisor or the mentor that you get easy access with. And in this today economy you see many startups coming up, and you also feel like you don't know where to reach out. Like for example, the aspect may be very simple, like you want to draft a policy or enter into an agreement, but you don't know where to reach out because there are many advisors, but you don't know the right person. So TIE has been doing a really good job at understanding what startup actually need, be it the investment, be it mentorship, be it advisory, or be it the networking. The network that TIE gathers is massive and it's impressive. It's just that you have to reach to the right person or make right use of the network. Once again, thank you so much, TIE, for selecting HESA. HESA has been a rural e-commerce platform. So we are present in 8 states. Like I said, last year we have won TIE 100, and this year we have won TIE 50. So actually, startups previous few years ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అంటే there are many emerging startups that are coming up. Even the Gen Zs, they are coming with new ideas. So they ఏంటంటే ఒక ఐడియా క్రియేట్ చేయడం వరకు ఒకటి, దెన్ ఆ ఐడియా ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్కి తీసుకెళ్ళడం, యూ నీడ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్. So that's where TIE has been helping, which I am also part of it. And the second thing, going ahead, I always see that it's not just a change in the mentality of the people, it's also about the avenues that are coming up. There are many young generations who are coming up with different ideas. So that's where obviously startup ecosystem is emerging. And the events like this, where you meet people coming from different industries. See, your industry might be defined to particular ecosystem, but when you understand other ecosystem, you definitely come up with the new threats or the challenges that your industry may unavail, not aware of. I definitely suggest, like, everyone should attend events like this, where you have a good scope for networking, where you can meet people with different mindsets, understand different opportunities and also threats, new updates, new laws, whatnot. So మాది వచ్చేసి కంపెనీ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ 10-year-old కంపెనీ. వీఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ 2012, బట్ హేసా అనే ఐడియా has started from 2020. So HESA is basically like it's a rural e-commerce platform. Like ఇప్పుడు అమెజాన్ అర్బన్ ఇండియాకి అమెజాన్ ఎలాగైతే ఉందో, రూరల్ ఇండియాకి ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ HESA. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే, మనం విలేజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు వీ నీడ్ అగ్రి, అంటే ఎక్కువ ఫార్మర్ బేస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మనకి అగ్రి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కావాలి. ఒక హౌస్ హోల్డ్ చూసుకుంటే గ్రాసరీస్ కావాలి. అలాగే ఒక బ్రాండ్ రూరల్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే వాళ్ళకి ప్రమోషన్స్ కావాలి. అండ్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్, the youth who are in rural space, they want to migrate to urban because they are looking for employment opportunities. So understanding all these aspects, our founder Mr. Vamsi has spent 8 years of time understanding the village ecosystem. And he have built this idea where we have our village level representatives whom we call as Hesati. So every Hesati in the village is an influencer who take up group of 50 members. He gather every order, like whatever is the requirement of that group of people. He aggregates the order, facilitates the delivery. So that's how we have been catering to the entire ecosystem. So as on today, we have 70,000 Hesatis spread across 8 states. So south is our strong base. We are in AP, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and we are spreading in the central and south. So Madhya Pradesh we have started, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Odisha is also our good base state. And so it has been a journey, like understanding what exactly rural India need, and how exactly a company like who is sitting in urban can actually understand their needs. It's not just about the tech, it's not just about delivering the products, it's about the emotion. So that's where our founder came up with a concept called phygital is about physical and digital, like a person literally sits in the village and also there is a tech that is involved. So this is about the phygital model. So we are like a social entrepreneur, that I can say, or the new evolution that is coming in the rural space. Happy to announce that HESA is like a gateway to rural India. So if there are brands or the startups, because now many startups are emerging. Now, if they want to reach to rural space, like for example, someone has the product who has built in the urban space. Now they want to expand their base into rural. Now we have the network. We can help the startups to further, take their products into rural space. So it's a two-way commerce. Anything that can enter into rural, we are there to help. Anything that want to come from the rural, because even the rural, the people are also developing their own products. There are handlooms, there are food products that urban people are also wishing to get it from the rural space. So everything and anything can be catered through HESA. So our founder, Mr. Vamsi, and his wife, Mrs. Hema, they are the founding team, and we have a strong leadership team of 8 members who come with a different years of experience, like 25 years of experience. So we are spread across 8 states, like I said. So we further are expanding, and we are coming up with a anchor partner model where we are looking for the partners. See, now we are at a stage that we want someone who can put their skin into the game. So someone who is strong in distribution, someone who is strong in logistics can tie up with us as a partner. They further take up franchising, and they further can do a business with a simple ROI kind of a structure. So yeah, that's our expansion plan, and that's how we have been doing. And last year we have already been a bit of positive. This is like a metric where ecosystem always, startup ecosystem always tries to make it as a milestone. So we are a bit of positive, and yeah,